Hello and welcome to About 6 Acres. I'm Juana.
And I'm Nick.
And today's Vlogmas day 16?
16, because it's the 16th of December.
That makes it so easy to remember.
We got a Christmas gift.
Yes.
And we're going to open it early.
Yes.
Because we had no other gifts yet. So we're going to share it with you. So our gift to you is the gift that we got today for us.
No, we're not giving it up.
No, we're not giving it to anyone. It's ours.
We're just opening it up.
We're sharing the experience of having this one gift, probably the only gift.
Yes, but I will say this. The cool thing about it is last week we did some, we dehydrated some peppers and did some powder, and I had used my immersion blender for it. And I have a family member who loves us and watched and texted us and says, be on the lookout for something from us. This is what it is.
A Ninja Food Power Blender Processor.
Yes, which is awesome because I've shared about this, that ours broke and it's not so easy to find the replacement. So the cool thing about it is we have a whole new system. We thought it'd be fun to open it together and see what it is, because I might have something else that we want to do tonight. So let's open it and see how it looks.
I got some scissors. I'm gonna do this.
Cool. Oh, this one is cool.
72-ounce power blender and processor with lid. A smoothie bowl maker with built-in lid. A
That's
nutrient
pretty cool.
extraction cup. Total crushing and chopping blade assembly. Dough blade.
That's
Protein
really
meat.
cool. So this one is actually different than the one that we had. When I got the box, I wondered if it was going to be the same exact one, in which case I probably would have tried to keep the base as a backup. But this is very different, so the base is not staying with us.
And I don't know if you're like me, but anytime we get like a gadget and it has a registration thing, I register my products.
I love that about him, because I would probably just put it aside in a drawer with all of the manuals, and then, you know, months later be like, oh, I should have registered that product. So definitely it's come in so helpful so many times to have it registered, especially if there's a recall on something, which is what we've had, what we've needed it in the past. So this is cool. This is very similar to what we've had in the past. And is that the smoothie one?
Smoothie.
This is so cool. And then this is the base. And the base is very different than, I'm going to show you the old base.
Oh, this is the magnetic ones.
This was the old base.
It's got suctions on it. Pretty cool.
This is going to save us a bit of energy, because we won't have to do like small batches of things anymore. We can actually like do several cups of things.
Do the soups.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. There we go. So how do you release the pressure?
There's
Like,
suctions.
yeah, but you can't, because I thought there was something you could release.
No, this
Oh,
one is
this
just
is
straight
so
up suction
nice.
cups.
This is very cool and extremely useful. My favorite types of presents. I'm not too much of a fan of like things that you just have around, but when it's something that is useful, those are my favorite gifts. Also, I like food.
Because one thing that was on my to do is to make my own peanut butter.
Yeah, that's
Because
cool.
I have
Or
this one
almond
peanut butter
butter.
that I love, but it's expensive. So if I can just buy the peanuts. We have a nut. Is it a nut house? Not a nut house. It is a nut factory. Not a nut factory. It's like a nut place. Like down the road where they do fresh pecans and all that stuff. So maybe they have some fresh peanuts.
We're gonna wash this because I want to try it out with something really, really cool.
It's cool.
I don't know if you remember from a couple of days ago, maybe a week ago, but we had frozen some watermelon, and again, it was one of those things where I had not planned for this, but it is so cool. We're gonna go ahead and use this. And the coolest part about it is I needed 2 pounds worth, and guess what? 2 pounds worth. I'm pretty sure that the bag is negligible, so it's like it's meant to be. So it's a super simple recipe because I'm gonna take that watermelon, add half, and I'm gonna let Nick do that while I prep the other ingredient, which is sweetened condensed milk. And so I'm not gonna use this whole container. I'm probably gonna use like, I don't know, 8 ounces maybe. And then it's gonna get loud in here.
Is that considered half?
I don't know, but I don't think this wants to open.
You open it upside down?
Yeah, that's considered half. No, I'm opening it right side up.
Don't they usually have a pop lid?
I thought so too. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time.
Credit on it?
I don't know. I don't know why it's not.
That looks like a weird.
It doesn't even
That
look
looks
like
weird.
a. Yeah,
Like
it
a
doesn't even
weird
look
lid.
like a real lid.
It's fake. Bamboozled.
Let's see what he does.
Bamboozled. We might have to pierce it in. Something stopped.
Yeah. So if it works for him, I don't even know.
Remember the can openers back in the day? There was no such safety. Remember, you just lucky you didn't
Okay.
cut yourself.
Okay. So I need to do 8 ounces.
8.
Yeah, maybe 10. I went with 10 ounces because, you know, I've never ever complained when something is too sweet. So I just did a little tiny pinch of salt, and now we're going to blend it. And let's see, it might get too loud. And that's done. So now we're gonna add the rest of it. Give it like a nice little stir, and then add the remaining part.
What did we the rest of the watermelon?
Yeah, so let me see. I'm gonna try it.
And then the rest of the watermelon goes inside.
Right, I washed that.
Put in the same amount.
It tastes so good.
The amount of air that comes out of here, like from the fan or the motor, you can blow dry your hair while making ice cream.
All right, so let's try it out. That's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna get a spoon so that Nick can try it before I. No.
I'm smelling it.
Stop steaming. Okay. So, God, you can try it out.
What is it called?
I don't know. It's like a watermelon sherbet, I think. No churn ice cream sherbet thing. So I have an ice cream container that I'm gonna just scoop it onto, and then this is gonna go into the freezer. We'll probably eat it tomorrow, not today because it's late. But it tastes really good. Like, and look at that color.
Mexican. Remember one of those Mexican ice creams?
Mm-hmm.
We got.
Oh, like the paletas?
Yes.
Yes. You can take that.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I may just leave this in there so I can enjoy it for today. But if we had done a double batch, it probably would have come all the way to the top. I think I did this right. Where's the other side? There we go. Now this goes in the fridge, and hopefully tomorrow.
What was in the freezer?
It goes in the freezer. It goes in the freezer, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to try it out. I am so excited for Vlogmas Day 17 because we'll actually get to try it. And it's so cool because I feel like something like this is very, very simple to do, like when family comes visit. I know like my nephew, Nathaniel, would love ice cream. And so I think when he comes to visit, hopefully we can make some ice cream like this. But let me know if you've ever made sherbet, sorbet. I don't even know what you would call this, but
What do you call milk and fruit together?
yummy.
It is good, and it's not overly sweet considering it's watermelon and condensed thing. It's good.
It is so good, so good. So very grateful for the
Our
ninja.
Christmas gift. It's ours.
Yes,
Thank you so much for the Christmas gift. You know
Yes.
who you are.
yes. Feeling very much loved. But thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day.
16.
Yes.
We'll see you tomorrow on day 17. And don't forget, you are awesome and you are loved.
Until tomorrow.